A simple program to print table of a number. So here I'm just taking a number from the user using input function, and I'm converting the number to integer, okay, and I'm storing in a variable num, and then I am running the loop from 1 to 10. This range function will return you list of numbers from 1 to 10. It won't consider 11. So it will display from 1 to 10, and I'm running the loop for each number in this sequence, and I'm printing. So number into I value will be initially 1, then 2, then up to 10 it will go, and it is displaying its product here. And now let us run the program and see. I'm entering the number 7, and I got the 7 table. So this is how you write a program to print the table of a number.